In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit images in OneDrive. If you need quick touch-ups like cropping and basic adjustments, OneDrive's built-in editor lets you do it right in your browser, no extra software required. Start by opening OneDrive in your browser so you're on the home page. In the upper left area of the screen, look for the Photos option. This section gathers your pictures from across your OneDrive into a single gallery, making them easy to scan. Click the photos to open that view. Browse your gallery and pick the image you want to change by clicking its thumbnail. The photo opens in a larger viewer. At the top of that viewer, choose Edit to enter the editing workspace. Let's begin with the crop. Click Crop and you'll see a rectangle appear over your image with movable edges and corners. Use the built-in grid as a guide. Placing your subject near an intersection often creates a more dynamic look. Click, hold, and drag the lines to frame the exact part of the photo you want to keep. Dragging a corner moves two sides together, while dragging a single edge adjusts that side alone. Aim to remove distractions at the edges and keep your subject clearly positioned. Take a moment to refine the frame until the composition looks clean and balanced. When the framing is set, switch to fine-tuning by selecting Adjustment. Here you can make simple, targeted changes with sliders. Small moves go a long way. A slight brightness increase can reveal detail. A touch of contrast adds punch, and a gentle warmth or color tweak can correct an image that feels too cool or flat. If the image is dark, lifting shadows can bring back detail without washing out bright areas. Make one change at a time, then pause to see the overall effect. With the photo looking the way you want, it's time to save. In the upper left area, locate Save and click it. You'll see two options. Save updates the existing file with your edits, which is great when you're confident about the result. Save as copy keeps your original untouched and creates a new, edited version, useful when you want both versions for different uses. When working in a shared folder, save as copy helps you avoid overwriting a version teammates still need, and that's the full process. You opened Photos, selected an image, used Crop to refine the composition, applied Adjustment for quick polish, and saved your work. With these steps, you can improve pictures in OneDrive in just a few clicks.